Hello all, welcome to the Universal Group of Institution, Bangalore. We are going to start a very important series, that is the government schemes, and it becomes very important for UPSC preparation. And with that, today we will be discussing the SVAMITVA scheme. What is its full form? Survey of village areas and mapping using improvised technologies in village area. Now let's discuss the key features of this scheme. First, we will be talking about the coverage and the collaboration. So altogether 6.62 lakh villages will be covered via this SVAMITVA scheme. And how they will be covered? They will be done by the Ministry of Panchayati Raj and with the Ministry of State Panchayati Raj in collaboration with Survey of India and the Revenue Department of the states. If we talk about the technology, then drones will be used here to get the actual calculation of the lands. And my dear friends, here comes a very important question, that is, will the agricultural land will be used for SVAMITVA scheme or not? The answer is no. And many times you will see that in your UPSC prelims also, it is asked that A, B, C and D, they will be giving you a lot of options, and here you have to mark that agricultural lands will not be covered under SVAMITVA scheme, because we will be covering only the commercial lands which is owned by the owner, the villagers, and apart from that, suppose a villager is having a land in which his own house is there, his own commercial property is there. So such kind of land will be recorded in SVAMITVA scheme. Now, if we talk about the objective of this scheme, then we get to know that the acquisition by which the lands are being allocated to the villagers, that need to be done in a very proper way. So the creation of actual land records is very vital here. And apart from that, we also need financial empowerment. And how that will be done? It will be done via financial asset for loans. Suppose there is a villager and he is having certain piece of land. So once the record is done by his name, so and so person can use that particular land as an asset for taking loans. Another objective of SVAMITVA scheme is there should be property taxation. And this will be helping the Gram Panchayat and the state government. How? Suppose there is a property held by any villager, and if the government wants to take tax on it, then this will be a very seamless process of doing so. Apart from that, better development planning will be done by the Gram Panchayat by Gram Panchayat Development Plan, and it will be a seamless process in making such plans happen. So we talk about the implementation of the whole process. The implementation is done in 3 processes, that is pre-survey activities, then the survey activities, and then comes your post-survey activities. In the pre-survey activities, we have seen that permission will be taken by the landowners and the Gram Panchayat and Gram Sabha. Apart from this, property identification, whether it is a government property or a private property, so these all things will be done. And apart from that, the process of notification for technology use, that in your particular land, the drone will be coming and capturing the images. Again, such kind of permission will be taken in pre-survey activities. So then we go for survey activities. In survey activities, we have seen that majorly the points of that particular area which will be recorded in so and so person's name will be given certain points, and apart from that, the drones will be used for taking proper images and for land records. Now we talk about the post-survey activity. In the post-survey activity, we see that owner verification is done, and how that is done? A property card is assigned to a particular owner of that land, and apart from that, there is also issuance of this property card to that holder. So if we talk about the benefits of these schemes, it is economic stability, because now the farmers will be having an asset for which they can get loans. Apart from that, they have reduced disputes. There will be less disputes, isn't it, when you have a set of records with you. Suppose there are two brothers and now they are planning to have infrastructure development in their land. So now they are very clear about their own assets. Apart from that, enhance governance by using the drone data, by using the GIS map technique. Now the government can work and they can plan for future. At the end, if we talk about the SVAMITVA scheme, it is a win-win situation for the villagers because it is bridging a gap between the urban and the rural population. And apart from that, it is a step towards Viksit Bharat, and now the villagers will have powers in their hand. They will have the legal authority for their own land. That's all for now. Stay tuned with us.